Computer-based adaptive assessment is becoming increasingly common in the educational system as educators seek better and more efficient ways to assess students. Not only is assessment data important in showing student progress, but the information is being used for teacher accountability and to monitor school performance as a whole or by individual grade. What is computer-based adaptive assessment? This type of assessment is an exam given on a computer that adapts to the student as they progress through the items in the test. As the student progresses through the items, the questions get more difficult as the student answers them correctly. If the student answers incorrectly, the assessment adapts to the skill level shown by the student. With the computer-based adaptive assessment, or CAT as it is sometimes called, the teacher can see what areas the students are weak in and concentrate support in those areas. Students can also be compared to other students in the same grade within the district to check class progress. CAT assessments can be formative or summative depending on the intent. Adaptations for younger students. Since many younger students and students with special needs are not proficient at reading, computer-based adaptive assessments can provide audio as well as visual support in the form of virtual manipulatives. The students are pre-taught to click on the speaker icon to hear the instructions, and they may listen to them more than once. In this way, the students are allowed to work at their own speed and to hear the instructions again for better comprehension. Virtual manipulatives built into the assessment supply students with near concrete items to move around and count, resulting in greater engagement and understanding. This is especially important for visual and tactile kinesthetic learners. What are the advantages of computer-based adaptive assessment? The advantages of computer-based adaptive assessment are numerous. Higher and lower achieving students are assessed more appropriately, which is crucial for individualized education program students. The teacher may use the results from the assessment to differentiate the curriculum according to the needs of the students. Results and feedback are immediate. There's no waiting for scores, and the teacher does not have to spend time in creating or evaluating the tests. Disadvantages of computer-based adaptive assessment. Computer-based adaptive assessment also has its weaknesses. Students not used to computers may not know what to do and require technology instruction before the test may be administered. The multiple choice question may confuse younger students who are new to testing as well. Aside from the students, the software and support are expensive. Some school districts might not have the funds available for the expense. The price of the MAP assessment was not available at the NWEA website. At the CASAS site, e-test units for adults are sold in increments of $500 for $1,000. This includes technical and phone support as well as updates. An added cost could include purchasing extra computers to accommodate all the students as well. If the computer lab is used, it may be unavailable for regular curriculum work for the students. Training for school staff may also be required. As with any assessment, there are pros and cons to computer-based adaptive assessment. This type of assessment will be used more often in the future as the need for data, convenient assessment, and student needs grow.